Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations for the value of x that satisfy this. So in this video, I'm going to be presenting 3 different methods to solve this, and we are going to see which one is effective. So the first thing is we consider the solutions. And let's see method 1. So for the first method here, suppose we consider x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. So this equals 49, and 49 is given as 7 raised to the power of 2. That is 49. Then let's take 7 here, and here becomes x plus 9 raised to the power 2 minus 7 raised to the power 2 equals 0. Then, so let's consider from here. Suppose we have a squared minus b squared. So this equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then by applying it to this, if our a is x plus 9 and b is our 7, so by substituting it in this, what we have here becomes x plus 9 plus 7, then multiply by x plus 9 minus 7 equals 0. Then with this, we have x plus 9 plus 7, and this gives us 16. Then into bracket of x, 9 minus 7, that is plus 2, and this equals 0. So these are two factors we have, x plus 16 and x plus 2. So this shows that we are going to let this equals 0. So we have x plus 16 equals 0, or we have x plus 2 equals 0. So having this, we agree that this equals minus 16, and also we have x equals minus 2. So these are the two values of x for the first method as it implies. And let's see how we can solve this using the second method here. So let's say method 2. So from the problem, we have x plus 9 raised to the power 2 equals 49. Suppose I take the square root of both sides. So by taking the square root of both sides, we have this as x plus 9 raised to the power 2, then all square root equals plus or minus square root of 49. So this square root and square cancelled, and when they cancelled, we have x plus 9 equals plus or minus 7. Then we take this 9 to other side. So by taking it to other side, we have our x equals, when it comes here, it becomes minus 9 plus or minus 7. So therefore, we consider this as minus 9 plus 7, or minus 9 minus 7. So therefore, the value of x here equals minus 9 plus 7, and that gives us minus 2, comma, and here is minus 16. So we get the same thing as the first method. So this is how we can solve this using two different methods. And let's see the last method, which we are going to conclude which one is more effective for these questions. So we consider method 3. So the question says x plus 9 raised to the power of 2 equals 49. So if I consider this expression as a plus b raised to the power 2, so this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So a is what we have. Then our a is x and our b is 9. So therefore, when we substitute into this, what we have here becomes x squared plus 9 squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 9 equals 49. And in the next step we have x squared plus, so 9 squared here is 81 plus the 2009, that is 18 multiplied by x, and this equals 49. Then let's take this 49 here and rearrange this properly as x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 equals 0. So with this, we have x squared plus 18x plus, so 81 minus 49, that is 32, equals 0. So we have this as a quadratic equations. So here we consider this as the sum of this, and here we consider it as product. So I think this is factorizable. So we look for two numbers. So we have 18 here equals 16 plus 2, and we have 32 which equals 16 multiplied by 2. So I think these two works. So therefore, we are going to apply it as x squared plus, instead of 16, we replace it as 16 plus 2 multiplied by x plus 32 equals 0. Then let's expand. When we expand, we have x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 equals 0. So when we combine these together, we have x squared plus 16x in bracket plus also this, we have 2x plus 32 equals 0. Then with what we have here, you can see this as, when we take out x from here, consider this as x into bracket of x plus 16 plus, also from here we have 2, you can factor out, and here is x plus 16, this equals 0. So we can agree that we have x plus 16 common, so let's combine x plus 2, and we also combine x plus 16 equals 0. So therefore, can see that our x here equals minus 2 and x equals minus 16. Then I have another important thing to consider here. Let's try and verify. When we try to verify this, so let's say we want to verify. So the question says x plus 9 squared equals 49. So let's say at x here equals minus 2. So when we substitute it, we have minus 2 plus 9 raised to the power of 2. So I want to see if this equals 49. So minus 2 plus 9, that is 7 squared. And 7 squared is automatically 49. This is correct. Great. And also, so let's consider when x here equals minus 16. So we substitute, we have minus 16 plus 9 squared. So I want to see if this equals 49, and this, that is minus 7. Minus 7 squared is also equals 49, because square will negate this negative, and we have it as 7 squared equals 49. So this is how we can solve this problem using 3 different methods, and we also check. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.